At a bustling barbershop, Tim's haircut turns into comical chaos. As he sits in the barber chair, it begins to spin uncontrollably when the barber accidentally hits the lever. The situation escalates as the barber and other patrons quickly join to stabilize Tim, turning an ordinary haircut into a hilarious scene. Everyone bursts into laughter as Tim ends up with a uniquely styled haircut. The camaraderie and humor transform an unexpected accident into a memorable shared moment, proving that laughter can make everyday mishaps unforgettable.